So mom, we successfully completed Spiti. Super. Winter Spiti is not over for me as of now. The last day for riding with the gang. Hola, let's begin. We head down to Chandigarh and from there to Gurgaon. Ambala is 117 kilometers. ನಿನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಬೇಡ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ ನನಗೆ फुल सर फुल हाँ कितना हुआ 600 कर दो हाँ Today will be kind of a very short ride for me, about 350 odd kilometers I guess. So once we cross these mountains, then it's just the open road for us. We just need to go down and then it's an open stretch all the way to Delhi. The place where we stayed last night was very nice, decent, nice food as well. So overall, when I joined this group, I didn't have any difficulties, everything was taken care of. It wasn't a very large group, it was a very limited number of people. But yeah, it was fun making new friends. Find open roads after a week, experiencing crosswind, flat roads. We are here. अंबाला कैसे जाना? अंबाला सीधा ನಾನು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯ ಬೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು सुपर बताना आप कुछ नहीं चालान काट रहे सब तो धीरे धीरे चला नहीं हम तो एस्केप हो गए ना पता चल गया तो निकल गया अब गर्मी लग रही है अभी चले so we're back on the national highway with mosquitoes on my helmet now. He's splashing on the visor, getting all dirty already. We have about 240 kilometers to Delhi. We just crossed Chandigarh. What, mom, you enjoying the ride in the highway or in the mountains? Highway ride or mountain ride? Both. Huh? Super combination. Sir, what restaurant is this? Please explain.
एक्सप्लेन करो भाई
आपने YouTube में वीडियो देखा ना? So please explain.
क्या एक्सप्लेन करना ये ढाबे
कहाँ
का
पे
नाम
है, क्या है, क्या आइटम और क्या है?
क्या क्या ऑर्डर करा थैंक यू ये है बाला कैंट में पूरन सिंह का ढाबा यहाँ पर ने ऑर्डर करा है चिकन राइस मटन राइस
हाँ.
प्लस पनीर
Okay.
प्लस लच्छा पराठा
Okay.
with onions two varieties of onion it's a vinegar onion it's a plain onion and chutney
Okay. So we come with a lot of great expectations, sir.
yeah have it
और ये क्या है?
अरे बाप रे चिकन है मटन है क्या पूरी बिरयानी है
They said it's a very famous place called Puran Singh Dhaba, but I didn't find anything that special that it had so much hype. Why was I diverted to the road below the flyover? No clue. Just keep going. Look at the number of school kids in that tempo. I need to find an opening to enter the expressway. This is irritating. Finally. So we just got on to the Western Peripheral Expressway towards Gurugram. Just avoiding the Delhi city and taking the bypass route. We'll be heading to the office of Devils on Wheels in Gurugram to drop Yatish's bike off. I am running out of fuel and my fuel is in the backup vehicle. That is, the spare fuel is in the backup vehicle. So I just found a board that there is an Indian Oil fuel pump 1 kilometer ahead. So let's first head there. I've done close to 40 kilometers on reserve and I see the pump there. I hope it's functional. Indian Oil to the rescue. फुल करना. हाँ बस 850 कर दो, 50 कर दो. Yatish is just pushing the Himalayan to the max. I have maxed out my bike. It won't go beyond this. Delhi to the left, Jaipur to the right. I think since today is a Saturday, this industrial area is kind of free to roam around. We're moving around with not much traffic here. This place is huge. Yes, finally made it. Winter Spiti is not over for me as of now. It is not for me. For everybody else it's over, but for me it's still there. Another 3 more days. Thank you. Bye bye, Himalayan. हाँ हम यहीं पे रहते हैं ना. Thank you. See you. So mom, we successfully completed Spiti. So we're going to our hotel, the same place where we stayed when we came here to Gurgaon. It was close by to this place, decent parking, pretty okay room, so not too expensive on the pocket as well. Done. I don't know. No track. Let's call it a day.